Well, we're looking at muskies here. Don't know if you can see them in this film or not, but this is where they usually jump. Yeah, the water's running pretty fast. Some big ones down there and some young ones too. Ah, I missed it.
It was pretty close.
If you heard the splash, that was the muskie trying, and I didn't have my camera aimed there. If you see some white down in there, that's scars on the muskies from getting hurt trying to jump over. A couple of great big wood crepes down here. You can see one there, he's just coming to the top of the water. See his tail wiggling. And one just kind of almost floating on top with a lot of scars on his head, the little guy. One just went in to the white water there. Oh, you should be able to see this guy now. It's right almost at the top of the water. I'm hoping we'll get to see one attempt to jump. Two fellows that were here said they're pretty tired and they haven't seen anybody make it over yet. This lake gets some pretty big muskie in it. Oh, there was a little one. Yeah, you guys hear me down there? Huh? You seem to be a little curious about me, as I am about you. That's a really big one right there. Yeah, several of them down there now. Probably 8 or 10 in the water here now.
Y'all ready for this? Yeah.
Not too cold today. No sunshine. It was raining earlier. Kind of pleasant temperature. Just need long sleeves. In the 50s, I guess. And this is April 26th, 2011. Be able to see some pails with them there right by the edge of the water flow over. There's a guy kind of floated to the top, huh? You can see that one in the whitewater there. Somebody feels rested enough soon to give it a try to jump over again. Like to see one of the big ones maybe.
Yeah.
Kind of sad that us having built the dam here impedes their ability to get into the lake where they spawn. Nice if we had a musky ladder for them to climb over this, even though it's not all that big. Watch the guys here on the lower right hand corner. I think that was, somebody was bugging somebody else down there, and the muskies wasn't happy about one touching him. You see the guy with his tail, the white-water. I've seen some here in previous years that were about 7 feet long, but mostly 5 feet and under.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the big guy here. Wow. Just going off for us. Going right into that whitewater, yeah. Oh, a couple of little ones together. Oh, I guess we got to start up now. See how scarred the undersides are. I wonder if it tickles when they go through the whitewater. Yeah, the guy's right at the top of the water now. He's probably 4.5 feet long, I think. At least one of the big guys. There's a bunch of them.
Holy mother! I didn't get to be around today. Man.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Yeah, there are. See one jump yet?
I saw a little one try to, didn't even make it halfway out.
Yeah. I seen one try a couple days ago, and he never made it either. I've never seen one go through the damn,
I've seen one make it over, but not this year.
Yeah.
This is the first time here this year.
I've never seen one make it over. Never. Well, there's some big ones out here. Last time I was down here, they were huge. These guys are not even huge compared to the ones I seen last time.
I think the biggest one here now is about 5 feet that I've seen, but I've seen them like 7 feet long before.
Holy mother, that's a big one. There's a small one right there.
Lots of them right here in the still water.
Yeah. Wow. God, that water, you know, you get a lot of rain, you get a lot of water.
The lake's really full.
Yeah, it is. I'm surprised it's still here, though. Man. Look at that one. He's kind of white.
Yeah. Some of them, yeah, he's lighter colors.
Yeah.
Some of them, too, you can see a lot of scars on them.
Oh, really?
White spots where they got scarred up trying to jump over.
Yeah, probably so. Damn, man. Well, there's a kind of a big one right there. That's not too bad. Pretty big.
Yeah.
Well, not real big.
Not real big, but
Not a bigger one.
put a good meal on your table.
Yeah, you would. Figure it out. It'll take you 2-3 days. You ever had muskie? I never had it.
I had it once.
Really?
Yep. Thought it was fine.
Is y'all ready for this? Yeah, 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 yeah.